Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Patrick Davidson. I'm a company Davidson Hosting. It's my web hosting company, and I just wanted to do a quick video about the benefits that you will get for using my web hosting services. The first benefit you will get is personal interaction. So if you choose, another company such as GoDaddy or a HostGator or something like that, you'll get some level of personal interaction, but you basically have to go through their customer service portal, which it's pretty good, but it's not really like a personal connection there. It's just like a person on the other end of the phone that hopefully knows what they're talking about. With hosting with me, you'd be talking directly to me, because I'm a small operation, so I basically would be handling all your concerns. Any issues you have, you have my direct number to contact me and let me know what you need. Also, you get administrative support for your ventures. So if you have a website that you need some sort of, changes, modifications, anything like that on the back end of the processing of the site, I would be more than happy to help you out with that. The third thing is, I could be like a buffer for, any language barriers that you might have as far as, with the technical jargon and everything of that nature. A lot of people, they might not be as interested in, web hosting or technology as I am. So I'd be more than happy to help you out with, getting you up to speed with more of what you need to know for your specific project or goal. It's a pretty simple process as far as getting the hosting. I can set it up within about 10 to 15 minutes, not including creating the actual website, but just the hosting itself and getting your site, from going from an idea of, hey, I want to have a site of patrickdavidson.com to actually having a website. It probably take like 10-15 minutes or so, and then deciding what you want to put on the website. That's a whole nother ball game, but it can be done anytime in the creation process. So you can already have an idea for your website and then start it. You can already have another website somewhere else and want to migrate it over to a new hosting provider. I could do that. Or you can have nothing and start with hosting and then develop your website and sort of put up like a under construction sign until or like countdown or something like that until it's actually completed. So it can be done at any point in the process of getting your idea from 0 to 100. Also, I'm able to work with designers, photographers, any type of business, that you need a project that has to go online. You want a specific place for it, or if you have people that you already work with that are designing your website, and you just kind of need somebody to go in between you and them and kind of get everything going, kind of balance everything out. I'm able to do that as well. Hosting with me also will give you networking opportunities with other local professionals that use my hosting, because I know a lot of people in the Western New York area. As you know, they got a lot of different business ventures going on, and I kind of look at it as like building a small community, being a hosting provider, because a lot of people use web hosting for their businesses or personal ventures, and I want to kind of assemble sort of like a group where everybody could exchange and share information. Which right now I just have my Facebook page, Davidson Hosting Solutions. I think I might make a group also, to share the information, like with people that sign up with my hosting, so I'm gonna do that as well. And you will have the ability to learn technology and be as hands-on as you want to be in your creation process, with me. So that means that you basically, if you don't want to have anything to do with, web hosting, you just want to, get your site up and running, I can do that for you. Or if you really want to learn, and kind of dig your hands in and learn a new thing or two, then I'll be able to help you with that as well. You can cancel your site at any time with 30 days notice. Is very simple. I'll give you a copy of everything and then you can shut it down. It doesn't take a long time. I just say 30 days notice just so we have a kind of buffer time of just for processing everything, but it really doesn't take a long time. Also, you can create a custom email address and domains for single events to include in your future merchant marketing campaigns. I mentioned this in one of my other videos, but I'll just go into it real quick. When you're hosting, you have the opportunity to have like a subdomain, so you can have like store.patrickdavidson.com, photography. And so on and so forth. And also, you can customize your email addresses for different things, so you can have multiple email addresses under one domain. So, a domain generally it's about $13 to $15, and then you can make your email addresses. The hosting is $5 a month, so it's not like a expensive thing to do. But the meat of everything is kind of your website and what you're trying to get out to the people. So once you have all that, you can go forward. And like I said, you can do hosting at any time in that process of deciding what you want to put on your website. So this is another informational video. Let me know what you think about the video. Any suggestions you have, you can inbox me, send them, let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.